gonna tell you something.
I'm gonna tell you something.
You know, Jerry, I'm gonna tell you something.
I'm going to tell you something that I learned when I was your age.
It's my fault.
But it's my fault.
And it's my fault.
It's my fault.
Good night.
All right, guys.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
No, I don't think so.
No. I don't think so.
I don't think so.
All right, little man. This is your mess, but I ain't mad at you, okay?
Okay.
You know I ain't mad at you, Win.
Nah, I ain't mad at you, Marcus.
Yeah, I know. I told you I ain't mad at you.
Call me as soon as you can.
Call me as soon as you can.
You call me as soon as you can. See you later.
Call me as soon as you can.
Well, just have her call me as soon as you can, please.
Sarah Whittle calling. Listen, if you could call me back as soon as you can.
Lorna, it is dark out. Please, just call me back. I want to know that you're okay.
How can I prove it to you?
You can't. It's impossible.